Cassette mutagenesis. It is one of the non-PCR based site directed mutagenesis. तो कैसेट म्यूटाजेनेसिस कैसे वर्क करता है? A restriction fragment from a clone DNA of interest is placed by another restriction fragment containing the mutant sequence. What we do in this we have this one DNA sequence where we do this non-sequence we will restricted fragment, means we do cutting with the help of restriction enzymes. Then we get this much of the cutting or space to add our restriction fragment to replace this site, and then we add our desired mutant sequence or oligonucleotide sequences in the place of cut fragment, restricted fragment. So it rely on presence of two restriction enzyme recognition site. Enzyme is one, but recognition site is two. How site is two? Because this place and this place, we cut from one end to another end of the restriction enzyme recognition site. This is why it is called two restriction recognition site. It can recognize from this and then cut from this direction. If it recognize from this side, then it will cut from this to this direction. This is simple way to do. And flinking the DNA to be mutant, and that we add mutant sequence. So this flinking side of the mutant sequence is the restriction recognition site from the both end. Because we know the restriction enzyme have one specificity or characteristic feature, which is what? Palindromic sequence, which is read from both direction on the both stand will be same sequence, like A, G, C, T. So it will be A, G, C, T. So when we read from this and this will be the same. So this is called restriction endonuclease specific to the recognition site. Okay, I will be set up for a while. So with the help of restriction enzyme, we can target the site and wild type gene will be removed. And then double-stranded oligonucleotide, which we construct as a mutant cascade, contain desired mutant sequence is used to replace that particular place corresponding sequence of the wild type gene. जहां से हमने वाइल्ड टाइप जीन को रिमूव किया है वहां पे हम क्या कर देंगे, उसको ऐड कर देंगे. These related large scale changes. It is simple method. We can use large scale change, small to large. There will be variety of changes we can introduce. Specificity of mutation is very high because of the restriction endonuclease. स्पेसिफिसिटी है कि म्यूटाजेनेसिस जहां हमको करना है वहां पे हम हमारी स्पेसिफिसिटी या फिर वहां पे जाके हमारा जो ये म्यूटेशन सीक्वेंस है वो बाइंड होने की पॉसिबिलिटी बहुत हाई होती है. दिस इज व्हाट द कैस्केड म्यूटाजेनेसिस. दिस इज आल्सो द सेम व्हिच आई एक्सप्लेन अर्लियर, but it is in simple way. The gene contains suitable vector, cleave the two restriction. So this is the vector and we cleave this at a specific site. See, this is our cleave cleaving site with the help of restriction endonuclease, which is one cut from this and this. Release a small section of DNA. This will release a small section of DNA. Restriction endine cut at site that fling the area of DNA to be changed. So restriction endonuclease cut at site, यहाँ पे कट किया है, the fling of area of the DNA to be changed, और इस एरिया का अब DNA वो क्या हो जाएगा, change. In this way only desired cut is occur. Because of restriction and endonuclease, we have specificity in cutting. We know the way we are cutting the DNA. So synthetic duplex is then ligate. Synthetic duplicate is our desired mutant sequence. Is called synthetic duplex. Duplex why? Because double strand. And we will place or ligate that part of us on this place. Here we replace with our desirable duplex. This technique can be used to make single or multiple change according to our need. We can do a single nucleotide change or can do multi nucleotide change and multiple site we can choose for the mutation. The change only limited by the available size of the synthetic DNA cascade. Available site is limited because the endonuclease site, if is cutting from this much area, we have this much area only to get mutant. So this is the limit of the restriction area. Restriction endonuclease area is our mutant area. What is the disadvantage? This is the disadvantage. Unique restriction site flank the region of the interest. तो जो हमारा रीजन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट या म्यूटेशन हमने प्लेस किया है वो उसके दोनों तरफ क्या होंगे, हमारे रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंडोन्यूक्लियस साइट होगी, वहां पे वो कट लगाएगा. इफ वी यूज दैट एंजाइम अगेन फॉर अनदर साइट टू कट, but there will be possibility that will cut that site again. So this is the disadvantage. But this can be controlled if we just do cutting first and then only insertion. That can be avoidable, but if it is according to our need, according to our interest, will change. So some disadvantage we find out whatever we do. How much things get easier, there is some disadvantage we always see. So design of mutagenic oligonucleotide. How we design the mutagenic oligonucleotide, our synthetic duplex, how we design that. We'll see in next class. Okay, bye-bye, take care.